Our annual bingo social has been a tremendous success, as everybody here tonight has been a witness. Well, thank you again for electing me your president. Good night and thank you.
Ang pogi
Okay,
pala ng
pare.
daddy mo.
Salamat, ha?
Ano?
Alright.
Hindi pa tayo uuwi?
Alright.
Late na,
Thanks.
Chris. Baka
Okay.
magka-eye bags ako nito.
Wow!
O ano? Enjoy ba kayo?
Of course, Mr. Velasquez. Kaya lang, akala ko big party ito. Di sinabi ni Chris na bingo lang pala.
Kaya nga nagulat ako sa suot mo pagpasok mo dito eh. Pag ganitong gathering, mag-iingat ka. Halaka, baka mapagkamalang kang eskandalosa. Mahirap nang maging desgrasyada.
Hindi po naman ako malikot.
Oo nga naman. Tama ang nanay. Underage ka pa naman yata eh.
Teka, ano bang relasyon nyo ng apo ko? Gatas pa mga labi nyo?
Mother dear, bagay na bagay naman sila eh.
At saka Lola, age doesn't matter.
Baka naman sa umpisa lamang pagsasabi nyo sa isa't isa nang sinasamba kita. At hindi kita malibot.
Teka, uhaw ka yata, Vanessa. Gusto mo ba na soft drinks? Oh, bakit ka naman nakasimangot?
I confess, Mr. Velasquez. Ito kasing anak nyo eh. Para biniro ko lang na magkasal-kasalan bahay-bahayan. Ay nako, biglang namutla.
Hindi naman ako pilyo sa mga schoolgirls.
Bahala ka kung gusto mo ipagpalit ng isang Diyosa sa kung kani-kaninong kalad-kari.
Talagang ganyan mga bata. Masarap, masakit, ang umibig.
At saka, hindi ba mahirap yung kung mangarap ka at magising? Hindi kaya kakaba-kaba ka ba? Pero kung may pag-ibig pa, okay lang.
Excuse me. Napanood ko ang karamihan sa mga nabanggit ninyong pelikula. Naku, pareho pala ang hilig natin. Pelikulang Pilipino.
Teka. Hindi ba ikaw yung nakatira doon sa likod ng simbahan?
Oo,
Ano nga bang pangalan mo?
ako si Angela. Angela Marcado.
Enjoy ang party ng uncle mo, no?
It was absolutely boring.
Natalo ko lang ng pinsan mo. Naging boring na ang gabi. Well, I guess you're right. It's a time-consuming game.
Chess is a fantastic game.
Whoever invented it anyway?
Well, there's general evidence that chess had a common origin with games like backgammon, parcheesi, or even cribbage. But there was no specific evidence till about 500 AD, when a form of it was known in India as chaturanga. Now, the Persians adapted this game and much of its nomenclature. Checkmate is actually derived from the Persian word shamat, which means the king is dead.
You know, I was asked to contribute a poem to our school paper, and I'm writing about the moon. I guess it's the romantic in me.
What's so romantic about an ordinary celestial body? I know everything about it. The moon is 238,857 miles away from the Earth. Now, because of its elliptical orbit, the moon reaches the minimum distance, or perigee, of 221,463 miles and a maximum distance, or apogee, of 252,710 miles. The moon revolves around the Earth in 27 days, 7 hours, and 43 minutes. Its rotation about this axis is equal to its period of revolution. Hence, the moon always shows the Earth the same face. The moon consists of basaltic igneous rocks, breccias, which are composed of soil and rock fragments compacted into coherent rock and lunar soil. The soil is a mixture of crystalline and glassy fragments with a variety of interesting shapes. It also contains fragments of iron meteorites. Most of the breccia rock fragments are similar to the larger igneous rocks and apparently were derived from them. The rocks in turn. Jenny? Oh. The igneous rocks from the moon contain the minerals olivine, pyroxene. Are you asleep?
Yes!